बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, आपने मशहूर व मारूफ गाना तो सुना होगा, दिल के अरमां आंसुओं में बह गए। कुछ ऐसा ही मामला भारत के साथ है। भारत भी अपनी ख्वाहिशात की चिता में जल रहा है। पाकिस्तान की जोहरी इस्तेदाद उसे हज़म नहीं हो रही और वो किसी न किसी तरह इसे ख़त्म करने का ख्वाह है, लेकिन ये ख्वाब पूरा ही नहीं हो रहा। सुनिए ज़रा मुआशा जी क्या फरमा रहे हैं।
We are going to talk about a vital issue. A lot of people are asking, did India hit Pakistan's nuclear facilities? Now, I got interested in this because I have a WhatsApp group. A lot of politicians from across the world, academics, ambassadors, journalists, military officials, a retired Israeli general now settled in the United States, part of my group. He sent me a very cryptic message. It said, Ambassador Deepak, did we now do what we couldn't do 40 years ago? Have we hit Kahuta? Kahuta is where Pakistan has its nuclear facilities. He was talking about some conversations that took place 40 years ago about India, Israel and the United States eliminating Pakistan's nuclear facilities. It did not happen. Now, what we are seeing, everybody knows that there were two explosions, 4.4 on the Richter scale, then 5.7. I don't think this was, as people are saying, some nuclear test or anything. This was, I believe, again, this has to be verified, this was the reactor in Kahuta melting down. Why do I say this? Because when we had this in Chernobyl, in the former Soviet Union, which is now in Ukraine, I was there. Then in Fukushima in Japan, I was there. They use what is called boron dioxide and sand to cool the core of the radiator and to prevent radioactivity, the core of the reactor, and to prevent radioactivity from leaking. The same boron carbide, of which there is an abundance in Egypt on the banks of the Nile, has been sent to Pakistan. Now that is very strong evidence that something is happening. Something is rotten in the state of Pakistan. Sorry, Hamlet, you said something is rotten in the state of Denmark. Something is going on. I'm unable to confirm at this time. An American plane came, flew over, measured the radiation. We don't know. Pakistan will never accept. Finally, may I just conclude by saying, till 3 days ago, every wretched Pakistani politician or civil servant would say, we have nuclear bombs. In the last 72 hours, nobody talks about it. They've probably been told, shut up guys, we don't have any more nuclear bombs left. The Indians have taken out the reactor that was supposed to be the basic machine to make your bombs. Now, I don't know what has happened. We'll find out soon enough. Of course, don't expect the Pakistanis to say anything. When they were born, these fellows, they were told, look, Bharat ka jo slogan hai, its motto is in the Mundaka Upanishad, which says, Satyam eva jayate, truth always triumphs. Therefore, you guys must always believe that lies is your national ideology.
तो दोस्तों, जब भारत के अज़ैम पुरअमन नहीं, तो पाकिस्तानी अपनी बका को किस तरह फरामोश कर सकते हैं? ज़रा ख़ुद भी गौर कीजिए और दूसरों को भी इसका एहसास दिलाइए।